Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Ras-I is eager to spread love with his third studio album, Heart of Love. The singer shared an Instagram post. Yes, I've been waiting for a long time to make this announcement. I present to you my third album, Heart of Love, to be released on May 15. He went on to say that the project has been 6 years in the making, and he's excited to share the cover art. His track, Reggae Mountain, which debuted last month, is the first release from the project. Since the release of his debut album, Sojourner, back in 2019, Ras-I has carved out a lane of his own. His sophomore album, Kingman, in 2021, further cemented his reputation for message-driven, genre-transcending work. Now, speaking of albums, Grammy-nominated reggae artist TVJ says his album is done. The singer made the revelation on social media with an accompanying promotional video on Instagram. He did not reveal details about the project, but teased a photo with Grammy-winning artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley, hinting at the possibility of the two working together on the project. TVJ's last project, In Search of Zion, was released in 2023 via Indignation Collective and RCA Records, a reimagining of his 2020 In Search of Lost Time album. Now, the album announcement follows news of the return of his highly anticipated Lost in Time festival set for February. Now, on the international scene, Grammy and Emmy award-winning as well as Oscar-nominated icon Mary J. Blige announces her first ever Las Vegas residency. The run includes 10 performances scheduled through July, marking a new chapter for the artist. The residency arrives as a celebration of Blige's decades-long impact, drawing from a catalog that has shaped modern R&B while tracing the personal evolution behind it.
It's called My Life Story because it's going to be done more like theatrical, you know. But,
okay.
But you're still going to have the music. It's still going to be fun, but it's going to be told. It's a story, so there's going to be actors and actresses and people, you know, living. And so the story, the music tells the story. And I have so many songs that I haven't performed yet, you know, for my fans, like B-sides and things like that. And the actors are going to narrate, you know, the music.
Blige's Vegas debut follows a period of renewed momentum. In 2024, she was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and her most recent album, Gratitude, arrived in November. Now, in 2025, the New York native's For My Fans tour filled arenas worldwide, including a sold-out stop at Madison Square Garden that later received a global theatrical release. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.